Okay guys, just following on from the last video looking at the followers and things, what I want to do as well, just to get some accounts created as well, and get some other content on the internet. Now Tumblr is something that keeps popping up, and it's something that I haven't gone deeply into, but I know even my daughter uses it quite a lot now, so it must be something quite important if she's using it, because she's usually on the sort of edge of any new trends and stuff like that. I've found this gig here where a guy will actually make a Tumblr profile with at least 20 followers. Now I don't have any proper Tumblr profile, so I'm actually going to go for this, and we'll see if we can get some auto posting going on for that as well. And another thing that we want to do as well is to get some things done with hub pages and Squidoo pages. So this video is going to be about that kind of thing. And we'll take things from there. So I'm just going to pause this now, order this, we will go and get the Squidoo, and we'll go and get the hub page done, and from there we can expand out and get some bookmarks and stuff done for that, okay? Okay, so basically what I've done with this guy, I've given him some images and I gave him an article as well, and I gave him some links to the website, told him he can take some content from there too. Now the next one I want to look at that I think is really important is that we get a decent Squidoo lens set up. And what I mean by a decent one is one that's going to have multiple modules in there. We want to be using videos, we want to be using RSS feeds, we want to be using multiple articles and as many different pieces of information that we can get in there, rather than having one account with many sort of different topics. I want to have just one very good one that I can backlink and hopefully get that into page 1 of Google as well, because they do tend to rank quite well. Okay, so I've noticed this guy here, he is the top rated seller, so that makes it a no-brainer for me. And basically he will create the Squidoo lens, and this will include an article, anchor text and images, and etc. And basically what we can do from there, he will add AdSense as well to it, ClickBank and Amazon if you can find anything. And what we can do from there is we can build it up from there. I can either do it myself, which is actually quite quick once it's set up, or I can hire someone to do that. And he's offering some extra gigs, so that he will do extra 3 lens or extra 7 lens, etc. That might work well for me for internet marketing, to do maybe 7 extra lenses, but for this one I'm going to take this guy here, and I've worked with him before, this Jimmy Jam guy, and he's done quite good gigs for me before, so top rated seller is a no-brainer for me. And we will get some decent content on there, and we will backlink that as well and see how well we can get it to rank. Okay, so basically what I've done with this guy, I've given him he's asking for the URL for some keywords. I gave him just 3 keywords here. I've given him an article, the same one as we use for Tumblr, and I gave him an image as well, the same one as we've used for Tumblr and for Facebook too. So the next one that I want to find is some hub pages gigs. So I'm just going to search for them. I'll come back when I've got a couple. Okay, for hub pages, surprisingly this is the only guy that I found here, and basically he will do one Squidoo page and hub page, Squidoo lens on the hub page for $5, so I'll order it anyway. But some of this feedback hasn't been too good according to his stats up here, but it looks like recently he's been okay. So I'm going to go ahead and order that one. That gives us a Tumblr, a Squidoo and a hub page, and that's enough for now, because when I get them back we will be adding more content and building them up quite substantially. That's what we're planning to do towards the end of this week. Once I get these back, and we will put some really good content on there and build them out, because they do rank quite well. And what we want to do is basically get as many pages as we can into page 1 for any keywords that we can. Now once we get the first one and we figure out the formula, whether it's just a few bookmarks or whatever it's going to take, from there we can just go and create loads of other ones, but we can have it all on video and just give it to an outsourcer or somebody like that to do it. But just easier if we can build the first one up and get it ranking and see what it takes to get it there, and also we can add AdSense and stuff like that to it as well. And we need to also still to finish off the Blogspot blogs, because I haven't really taken that further since I ordered the first one, and I want to take that further and build a Web 2.0 blog network using Blogspot, and I also want to try it with some other sites as well. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.